Okay, so in this video I will unbox this wireless battery pack from Samsung. You can charge with super fast charging with a cable, or you can charge wirelessly with 7.5 watt. So that means that this power battery pack from Samsung can charge your phone with a wire up to 25 watt, or using wireless charging up to 7.5 watt. So that's brilliant, and it works with both Samsung Galaxy phones and iPhones, and I will test it with my iPhone XS Max in this video. But of course you can use either a Galaxy Note or whatever you want that supports wireless charging. But let's start with unboxing this one. Pretty ordinary box from Samsung, as you can see. And here you can see you can charge your Galaxy Watch, for example. You can charge a phone, and you can charge both a phone and the Galaxy Watch. So you can charge your watch with a wireless charger, and you can charge a phone with a cable at the same time. That means that you can charge two phones with this power pack. That's brilliant. And as you can see here, you have 10,000 milliampere battery in this one. Awesome. So let's open the package. Like so. Here it is, the power pack itself, and here we have a quick start guide, and that's it. So it looks like no cables whatsoever, so you have to use your own cables to both charge this power pack and also charging your phone or other devices with. So let's remove this plastic. 10,000 super fast charging. Here you have where you should have your Galaxy Watch, for example. Brilliant. And that's it. Here we have some ports, USB Type-C ports, and some LED lights and a power button. So let's start this one, like so. Now it starts, as you can see. I don't know if it started or what, but it doesn't look that this has so much power yet. So let's see what this could do. As you can see, it charged my phone brilliantly there. Let's see one more time. As you can see, it charges the iPhone. And stop charging the iPhone when you remove it, of course. But as I can see here, it needs to be charged because it doesn't have so much power. That is what I believe these LED lights says. So let's see how it looks when we charge this with a USB Type-C cable. As you can see, it starts charging, and it definitely needs to be charged because it only have one LED light of charge, as you can see. So that works too. Very, very useful power pack. I really love this. So now let's try to charge the iPhone with a USB-C to Lightning cable. Let's put this USB-C in there. And now let's see if we can charge this with 25 watt. Like so. As you can see, it starts charging immediately. But as you know, this power bank doesn't have so much charge. So this is just to show you that it works. Really nice. So now I could basically charge one more wirelessly on top of the power bank if I want. That's really, really useful. I really love this power pack. It's great to have with you, and it's quite easily to carry this around. Not so heavy and quite small actually. I really love that. So this works great actually. Sorry, I completely missed that it actually came with a cable, as you can see here. I didn't see this. Sorry for that. So Samsung delivered a very, very short cable to charge this power bank or a phone with. So a very, very short one, but they provided it in the package itself. So that's great and good to know. Sorry for that. Okay, that's it for this video. Please like it and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I need more subscribers, so do that. Bye.